way, go that way.
3,
Like,
2,
what's the fun?
Crash into that robot.
Oh,
Overtime. Oh, what's happening? That's auto. What the hell?
oh, we won auto with it.
Oh, we did? Wait, this is new?
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh, they're gonna get me. Shoot, bro.
Yeah, come on, shoot. Come on. Bro, I have no movement. Like... Ah, Evan.
Like, I can't. Well, I guess I can defend 2 robots.
I guess I can. Move, Evan! Oh no. Oh, what a blocking. What the hell? I don't think we're gonna win though. That's a pretty big margin.
Yeah.
That's chill. I didn't even get that off. I don't think I did.
Don't even count for nothing, bro.
Uh,
Well, GG.
GG's.